Here we go again. Error analyzing. So, and then it keeps trying. So what I want to know is, it's that every time it fails, I might get in charge. I will open AI count these as credits, like used processing power for every failed analysis. I've been trying to solve problems that are way out of my hands using ChatGPT, and I asked what organizational software or knowledge tools a system thinker would use to determine the appropriate actions to take for a given mission. And the mission is to abolish animal cruelty and free farm animals and pets. So I think it did stop after a good number of these, but I'm gonna. Oh. Python. Oh, I I asked it for a comma separated value list. It said error analyzing. Okay, update the CSV file with the adjusted team. Add and change in members as needed. It still did give the. And it stopped though, I don't know why. So yeah, if I stop it before it finishes, it gives this. So I wonder if this, okay, I wonder if it's gonna be like it's the same, close enough. Damn, pretty much for everyone on this team, you need them to have a pretty good social standing. And I feel like most of the trying to free animals, I feel, is against social norms. So probability wise, I think it's not a, it's so uncommon. It's almost as if this response tells me that this team wouldn't be even possible to assemble out of people who followed and played along with the rules in society in order to achieve these approval or social standing connections number. Well, connections is different. You can have connections but not have share listen, I can be this person, whoever. Let me just look. I am not even gonna look at what skill they need. I'm just gonna go okay, that one, that's the one. No, I don't know. ISTP. I do IT stuff, but I don't really enjoy cybersecurity. Varies this. Let me see what. Okay. Legal advisor. So legal animal rights provides legal guidance. Damn. Logical thorough. I see two of them, but there's only one here. So why are there two in this? Yeah, I think, oh, that's the additional people. Maybe, I don't know. Description, let's see. IT specialist, ethical considerations advisor. That's there. Yeah, man, this is a pretty big team. I feel like it could be done with a lot more people, but I was trying to find out if we could gain some insight. It could be done, like, numbers is the important thing to keep it going, but to figure out like the organizational challenges and how to overcome them in the beginning, I think it'd just be cool to just be able to pay people with the skills to do it, even if they don't. Or if people, a team like that, if there were a platform by which a team like that could volunteer. A friend told me about this one where like this website or something, or like that connected people around photography. So like a models want photos. The photographer may want to be able to take model photos, so like and then there's someone who does the lighting and design and the lighting and editing, the digital editing of the photos. So like these individual roles would yeah, groups out of other people who have the other skills that they wanted, so that they could, a photo shoot would be shoots with band of strangers that assembled to take advantage of each other's skills or service. So if we could do something like that, a team could be assembled, and animals we could actually make. Yeah, well, I mean, there are a lot of animal, freedom movements like activism. uh, I just feel like uh, there are just maybe too many leaks in the system. But and now I've talked about too many different things. My head is it's late and my head is spinning. So, and yeah, apparently ChatGPT's too, because we can't get a CSV file, just Python.